Barcelona. Barcelona is the capital of the province of Barcelona and Catalonia, northeastern Spain. Barcelona is Spain's main Mediterranean port and industrial center, and is well known for its physical beauty, individuality, and cultural interest. Barcelona is at times windy. The average annual temperature in Barcelona is 16 degrees Celsius. January is the coldest month. The average is 9 degrees. August is considered the hottest month with 24 degrees Celsius. On 2016's ranking of Europe's most visited cities, Barcelona comes fourth after London, Paris, and Istanbul. Barcelona is home to the largest football stadium in Europe. Camp Nou, FC Barcelona club's home stadium, has a capacity of 99,354 people, covering a surface area of 55,000 square meters, and also the second biggest stadium in the world, after Rung Grotto Mayday Stadium in Pyongyang, North Korea. Barcelona is one of the most bike-friendly cities in the world. It currently ranks 11th in the 2015 Copenhagen Index. Barcelona has a well-built higher education system of public universities. Most well-known among these are the University of Barcelona, established in 1450, and Pompeu Fabra University. Make time and visit this beautiful city.